Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to delete Tecno mobile face lock data. Friends, you don't want to use Tecno mobile face lock setting, you want to delete your face lock data. So friends, now let's see how to delete Tecno mobile face lock data one by one and step by step. Friends, we will talk about in this video. Enter your password friends. First of all, after enter password, unlock your phone and open your phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, Wi-Fi setting, hotspot setting, you can use the how to delete face lock data. Tap on your security setting. After turn by phone security setting friends, you can see this type interface: security update, find my device setting, fingerprint lock setting, face unlock. Friends, you have to tap your fingerprint, and if you enter your password, so you can add your fingerprint, you can delete your fingerprint, you want to rename your fingerprint, so you can rename your fingerprint lock. If you tap here face unlock setting, enter your password. After enter password, tap here delete face data. Your face lock data will delete. Friends, you can see delete face. Friends, don't delete your face lock data. Friends, unlock screen lock setting we will turn off. We will disable face lock setting. After disable face lock setting friends, you have face lock but you cannot use on your lock screen. You can check. Face lock will not show on your lock screen. Enter your password, phone will unlock. Again open your phone face lock setting. Enter your password. Enable your unlock screen lock setting friends. Again you want to use face lock, so you can use face lock setting. Show your face, phone will unlock. And you want to delete permanently your face lock data, you don't want to use, so friends you can delete. Tap here delete option, face lock data delete. Again you want to use, friends you will have to show face, then you can start face lock in your Android mobile and in your Tecno mobile. Tap here, remove your hat, glasses and mask, show your face, phone will unlock with face lock if you show your face data. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to delete Tecno mobile face lock data. Again you want to use, show your face lock will add and you can use it. So friends, we can unlock Tecno mobile without face lock. Face lock will not show. Draw pattern, enter password, phone will unlock. Bye.